won't pay me.
Makikita po natin
So I
ngayon
have to
ang
keep on
ating tour
talking
guide na si
until I
Wilfred.
cannot talk.
Nandyan na po siya.
Okay, until I receive my pay, sabi ni sir. Take notice. Anong kurso kayo? Tourism? Take notice of this restaurant here. It's called Garden Cafe. The ambience is quite western, ano? Para mga cowboy yung mga pumapasok dyan. That's run by the deaf and the mute. When you make order, you have to do some sign language or you have to write it down. This is our Plaza Rizal. Of course, named after our national hero. And that building far left, that's our provincial capital. We call it Plaza del Príncipe. It's an 1860 coral stone structure made by the Agustinian Recollects. On your right is St. Joseph the Worker Cathedral. 1839 po yan ang gawa ng mga Kastila. But it does not look medieval because it was not restored but rather renovated. Save the belfry by which we can still see those old coral stones that the Spaniards used in the construction of that building. Mga kapatid, we are now heading to the eastern coastal towns of Bohol. Take notice po sa mapa ng Bohol. It's a turtle-shaped map. And this is the head and the tail is here. And this is considered as the 10th largest island in the entire archipelago, in the entire Philippines. Yeah, but actually with an area of 4,117.26 square kilometers, Bohol is just a small island with a big population. Population here is 1.3 million. You can just imagine of the 96 million Filipinos, 1.3 million are in this island. There's a population explosion here in Bohol because most of the people here engage in agriculture, farming, and fishing. And most of our folks believe that the more children they have, the more manpower to help them in the farmland.